Hello friends, this is the vision and mission of the Institute. The vision statement of our Institute is fostering a technical excellence through ethics, sustainable education, innovation and the research. To achieve the vision of our Institute, we have these four missions. Likewise, we have the vision and mission of our department also. The vision and mission of our department is aligned with the vision and mission of the Institute. The vision statement of our department is to provide the high quality computer education with socio-moral values. And to achieve this vision, we have the three mission statements. And below are the program evaluation objectives of our department. Let's start with the chapter 1, Introduction to the Networking. This is the syllabus of our unit number 1, covering the topics like introduction to the computer network, network application, network software and hardware components, network topology, design issues for the layer, and the reference model, including the ISO OSI model and the TCP/IP model. The first topic is basics of communication. The term telecommunication means communication at a distance. The word data refers to the information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. The data communication are the exchange of the data between the two devices via some form of the transmission medium, such as a wire cable. The data may be transmitted through the several types of the transmission medium. One is a wire transmission medium, other one is a wireless transmission medium. The effective characteristics of the data communication includes the delivery of the data, accuracy, timeliness, and the jitter. The delivery is nothing but the system must deliver the data to the correct destination. Data must be received only by the intended device or the user. Likewise, the accuracy must deliver the data accurately. The data that have been altered in the transmission and the left uncorrected are unusable. Timeliness, the system must deliver the data in timely manner. Jitter refers to the violation of the packet arrival time. Basically, there are the 5 components of the data communication system, including the sender, receiver, message, medium, and the protocol. The message is the information to be communicated. The most popular form of the information includes the text, number, pictures, audios, and the videos. That is the multimedia data. The sender is a device that sends the data message. It can be a computer workstation, telephone handset, video camera, and so on. Likewise, the receiver is the device that receives the message. Again, it can be anything among the computer workstation, telephone handset, television, and so on. The transmission medium is the one type of the platform through which the signal get transmitted from one device to the other device. Some of the examples of the transmission medium include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and the radio waves. Basically, these are the types of the wire transmission medium. And the last component of the effective data communication is the protocol. Protocol is a set of the rule that governs the data communication. It represents the agreement between the communicating device. Without the protocol, two devices may be connected but not communicating. Basically, there are the 3 types of the data communication medium. One is the simplex, second one is the half duplex, and third one is the full duplex. Simplex means there is only one-way transmission from either sender to the receiver or receiver to the sender. Half duplex, the transmission is possible from both the parties. Means sender can transmit the data as well as receive the data, and the receiver can transmit as well as the receiver data. The full duplex is both are able to communicate with each other but at the same time, which is not happen in case of the half duplex. In case of the half duplex, both the parties are able to communicate with each other but not at the same time. So the example of the simplex communication mode of the transmission includes the keyboard and computer. Through the keyboard, user can provide only the input to our computer system, whereas walkie-talkie is the example of the half duplex communication system, and that our telephonic conversation is nothing but the example of the full duplex communication system.